Hey faves, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing some tribal braids, but we're going to be using some body wave hair today. I'm so excited because this hair is actually from Amazon and it has 4 stars, almost 5-star reviews. And y'all know 5-star reviews are hard to come by when it comes to Amazon hair. But this hair is so tea. We do have 3 bundles, 20 inches, and it is actually very soft, very quality. So I decided to do some tribal braids on my client. I thought this was the perfect time to try this hairstyle with some body wave so it can give a little bit of mermaid. I feel like anytime you do body wave, it always gives a little bit of mermaid. Now, I'm going to give you guys a few tips when it comes to getting body wave human hair bulk. So, number one, when you're getting body wave instead of the tighter texture curl patterns, it's just easier to maintain. If you're not a girl who likes to maintain your hair, keep brushing it, keep detangling it, keep messing with it, keep trying to make sure that it's nice and fresh, body wave is going to be the most low maintenance human hair you can install into your braids. This is something a lot of people are asleep on when it comes to body wave. It's not going to be a high maintenance hairstyle. Like it automatically becomes a lower maintenance hairstyle because the texture is so loose. That is always key. Another thing when adding bulk human hair to the braids, I always make sure not to add too many pieces on the back because it just feels like underneath we don't really need to focus on that and we can spend most of our time on the front. Now for the ends, this is another key tip. I always put the boho towards the ends, but not actually at the ends. Not always, sometimes, but if you are a person that wants to move fast and braid fast, I would definitely recommend just to put the boho pieces towards the ends and not making the ends the actual boho. This will save you time, and honestly, it all looks the same when you go ahead and dip them into water. So this will just save you time if you're not a person that knows how to put human hair at the ends of your braids and you just want to add that flare but still make it look like it's at the end of your braids. This is a great decision, and especially because this is body wave, everything's going to match together perfectly. Another key thing is for the bulk human hair, always go in after you finish a braid and just cut off any excess pieces that are sticking out. This is not her natural hair sticking out. This is actually the bulk human hair because the other side of it sometimes has straighter pieces. So just make sure to trim those so that when you get to the end, you don't have to go back. You just trim it as you go. And now I'm doing the travel braids up at the front, just doing a different type of design, something fun, something like off to the side, gives pretty cute. And also, I really feel like this hairstyle is perfect for anyone who has a higher hairline. You can always do tribal braids, but just put it off to the side. So let's get back into the bulk human hair. Like they literally sent me 3 bundles of bulk human hair, but I only ended up using almost about one because I just felt like it was just gonna overpower the hairstyle if I used all 3 bundles, and we was gonna be there for some time. But y'all, I definitely recommend if you want a full look, you can really get away with just getting 2 bundles when it comes to this, just because that one bundle was so full and thick and compacted. I think 100 grams comes in one bundle. So these bundles are actually really tea. Shout out to this company because the hair is quality and it's hard to come by human hair bulk, especially on Amazon, that is quality. But make sure that you click the link down below. I'm going to make sure I share my link so that you guys know exactly what vendor and where to get this on Amazon. It's always more convenient to always get hair off of Amazon as well because the shipping just is just really much easier than trying to purchase from other brands and other websites. So let me know if you guys do end up trying this. The body wave on her looks so good. It gives mermaid vacation. Body wave is just very low maintenance. It still gives those boho pieces, but just subtly and not too much. It just gives it just enough to elevate the hairstyle. Like this is a simple hairstyle, but just adding the boho body wave elevated it a little bit more. And y'all, the ends, like I said, look the same. So as you can see, this is a slow-mo of how the back is looking. Super gorgeous. The ends, like I said before, look fine, even though I didn't put boho directly at the ends, but I put it towards the ends. It still gave the same seamless look that I was going for. Let me know if you guys try this. This vendor has really good reviews and I wanted to put you on. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, faves.